Man, you see the vibes on the screen. That's why you clicked it. Hey, but check this out, man. Let me put y'all on to these grilled pork chops. Let's run it. All right, first thing first, you already know, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't sheezing. So here go your seasonings right here. Go ahead, grab your iPhone, your Android, go ahead and screenshot that, get your black gloves out, and let's make it a vibe. So we're grabbing that fresh parsley. I know you see it. And then next we got them center cut pork chops. Yeah, I'm from Miami, Florida. We call that pork chop. And where I'm from, that's called good eating. So now with all of those seasonings, you're gonna just pour it into the bowl, and then you're gonna mix it up with a spoon. And then now onto those pork chops, you're gonna generously season them with that seasoning mixture right there, making sure you get both sides nice and coated. And also at the end, we're gonna pat it down. So now into a hot skillet with some avocado oil. This oil is actually heart healthy and it got a high smoke point. So this is perfect, the best of both worlds. We're gonna take that pork chop, lay it down in there, and we're gonna get a nice sear. And we're searing both of them, all of the pork chops on both sides. And then from here, after it's nice and seared, then from there, it's gonna go into the oven, and it's gonna go into this oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to roughly 15 minutes, okay? Remember, we already did about close to 90% of the cooking right here in this pan. So now once it go in the oven, you just basically finishing it off. And I'm gonna pair this with this amazing brown gravy that I just made. It's a mushroom brown gravy. And we're gonna garnish this with some parsley as well. So I chose to go family style because I'm not pairing it with any other sides. So you can pair this with pretty much any side you want to, but I just had a taste for some pork chops. So now we're going on there with that gravy. Ooh, Lord. Oh yeah, and if you wanna know how to make this gravy, I got a link above right there where you'll find that gravy. So go ahead and smash that link. And also, if you enjoying this video, drop me some comments below. Let me know what you'd like me to make next. And of course, I'll be always happy to make that. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed this. Peace.